In this lesson, we will look at right-click context menus in AutoCAD. In most situations in AutoCAD, when you right-click the mouse, you are going to be presented with a context menu. It's known as a context menu because the menu differs based upon the context in which you right-click. Let's take a look at a few common context menus. First of all, if I right-click with no command active and nothing selected on screen, I will see just a standard right-click menu that gives me such tools such as repeating the last command as well as recent input, and also the ability to change the view of my screen with some pan and zoom tools. I also have access to some standard AutoCAD features as well, such as the Options dialog box. To close a menu, you can simply press the Escape key or click in the drawing window. If I select an object, then right-click, in the middle section, I will get some commonly used modify commands such as erase, move, copy, scale, and rotate. Again, I can press escape to cancel the menu and escape one more time to deselect that object. Many commands will have their own right-click options. For example, when drawing the line command, I see the close and undo options in the command line. I can either click on those options, type in the capitalized letter, or I can right-click my mouse and those command line options will appear in the middle of this menu. Right-clicking in other areas of AutoCAD results in different menus, such as the command line gives me options to copy the history. Right-clicking on a layout tab gives me options for setting up that layout. And right-clicking a ribbon gives me options for customizing the ribbon. That concludes our look at right-click context menus in AutoCAD.